Wait na. Okay, yung nakita namin ay Dancing Queen 446. 4446? Dapat ikaw yung taga-press dito. Nag-video talaga ako. Tapos ikaw yung mag-ganito. So, gagamitin po namin tong AC electric carnival. Uy, wait! You need to tap it. Hindi pa, i-play mo muna. I-play mo. I-play mo. Pindutin mo yung play.
Where is it?
And then you tap it. Ano? Yan! Oh my God! Oh my God! O, diba? Ay, dati mga biro.
Ayan o, si Lisa yan.
You can dance, you can dance. Lips that felt just like the inside of a rose. So how come when I reach out my finger, it feels like more than distance between us in this California kingdom, we're 10,000 miles apart. I've been California, wishing on this star for your. Cheek to cheek, side by side, you're sleeping next to me. That's the dawn with the curtains drawn a little less and less. So how come when I reach out my fingers, it seems like more than distance between. For your heart, for me, my California king. So now I feel like giving up my nerves. You turn around, give me one last time. That made everything feel better, and even then my eyes got better. So confused, wanna ask you if you love me, but I don't wanna seem so weak. Maybe I've been California wishing. In this California kingdom, we're 10,000 miles apart. In California, wishing all these stars for your heart, for me, my California king. Yeah. Up in this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in this dream. Baby, ayoko umasa sa paniniwala. May pag-asa nga ba? Na baka ang puso ko'y mapabigat. Maliwanag salamin. Ganyan tunay na pagtingin, maliwanag salamin. Bakit ang puso'y nabibitin?
Masa ang pag-ibig. Salamin, salamin.
Ayaw kong maniwala. Ayaw kong maniwala, eh! Oh no! Oh no! Ano nga ba talaga ito? Na ika'y dumaan, sana ay maibsan ang aking pangungulila. Up in this fairy tale, but I don't wanna wake up in this dream, baby. Ayoko Hey! May pag-asa na ba? Na baka